Want to make money on YouTube? In this video, I'll show you how to create a monetizable YouTube channel from scratch and start earning. Let's get started. First, choose a niche that people actually watch. Some of the most profitable niches include tech, finance, health, gaming, and education. But make sure it's something you enjoy, because consistency is key. Next, focus on creating engaging, high-quality content. Use good lighting, clear audio, and eye-catching thumbnails. Videos that provide value, whether it's entertainment or education, get more views and subscribers. To monetize, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months. Keep uploading consistently, optimize your titles and descriptions, and use keywords to rank better in search results. Once you hit the requirements, apply for the YouTube Partner Program. YouTube will review your channel, and if you follow the guidelines, you'll start earning from ads. But ads aren't the only way to earn. You can also make money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, selling merch, or even channel memberships. And that's how you create a monetizable YouTube channel. If you found this helpful, hit like button and subscribe for more tips.